Hey, before we start the video, make sure you smash that like right now, thumbs up wherever you're watching it on, and share this out. There's always a share, a way to share it. Help us out. Leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed or followed us, do it now. Thank you. Okay, we're back with another unboxing. I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio and B2 Audio USA. This way you can see it before you buy it. Check this out. This is the RAGE6.1 set. 6.5 inch with a tweeter, and you get a crossover network. This is a component set. Sweet like a Danish audiophile acoustics. Hey, this set's not a budget set. This is $364.95, and you get a 2-year extended warranty on this. That is really cool. But what makes this up to be $364? Let's take a look. One, beautiful packaging, and anything you buy that's worth money is going to come nicely packaged and not cheap and cheesy. Two, they take pride in even how it's shipped. You have a manual, you have crossover, you have a 6.5 inch and a 1 inch tweeter. Now, if you want to convert this to a 3-way set, you can upgrade this set with a nicer crossover network and then also a mid-range, which we also have that on the website, turned into a 6.3. But on this set here, this is a beautiful component set. Let's take a look at a few things. Very efficient, 100 watts RMS on the driver, and the tweeter is 30 watts RMS. This is a 1.6 inch silk dome tweeter. Beautiful sound, not that type of sound that just kills you. Soft dome tweeter, which is made out of silk. Okay, what does that mean? Well, it's got a neo magnet. And on the driver, same thing, very efficient. And if you notice here, this is coated with a UV and also a water resistant coating. Now, it doesn't mean you can dunk this in the water. It just means if it does get wet, it's not going to fall apart. This is a beautiful looking speaker. This is a beautiful looking crossover, which is not just some bass blockers, which you get most of the time. This is for people that want to get loud and sound good at the same time. So by using this together, you will get a 4 ohm output. Okay, what does that mean? Well, they go together, crossover, puts them together, it crosses it over. You do have bass blockers, but you also have other pieces in here that will get you at the right frequency that's made for these. Plus, inside, if this thing does overheat or you put too much power to it, it will disconnect before you blow a speaker, and then when it cools off, it'll kick back in. Really cool. So you have the input from your amplifier, you have your woofer output, and then you actually have 3 different outputs for the tweeter, depending on how strong you want it. That's what's really cool about this, because when you use just a bass blocker, you're just cutting off at a certain frequency so it doesn't go any lower. With this, we'll give you like a dB gain if you want more tweet or less. And being that you have some high quality products here that are neo magnet and also soft dome silk tweeter and a beautiful mid-range, that's what you're gonna get. Not just loud, but beautiful sound. Now, this set is $364.95, does come with that 2-year extended warranty like we talked about. And if you're trying to, just think about this. This together is made to go from 60 hertz to 25 kilohertz. So you are getting mid-bass out of this with mid-range all the way up. So this is a complete set. And putting these in a kick or in your door, just incredible sound. Okay, so this is part of the Rage. You have Rage, Riot, you have different series in B2 Audio. And we're going to continue to bring a new product now that we brought it back into the USA, which is a good thing for everybody that liked the brand before and is going to like it even more now. So check this out. Make sure you leave a comment, like, follow, wherever you're watching on. If you're able to subscribe, subscribe. If not, and if you're on the Big Jeff side, take a look at B2 Audio YouTube. Or now we have the B2 Audio USA Facebook. And we will separate the content over time. Right now, it's important to get these products back out that haven't been available for a very long time and show you what you're going to get before you buy it. Now, you can also purchase at bigjeffaudio.com and or you can go to b2audiousa.com. Either way, you're going to get your extended warranty. You can buy it on eBay or Amazon, but why buy it there when you're going to get the extended warranty and the customer service of Big Jeff Audio? We're not perfect. Unlike everybody else, but we try to make it right. And we try to run a good business no matter what people say. A little over 5 years ago, I was just a guy in a garage doing this on nights and weekends. No money, just working a full-time job. No investors, nothing. Flipping dollar for dollar. Built a business that I employ almost 30 people that get benefits, and I'm proud of that. And we always try to give back to the bass community and the audio community with giveaways, discounts, all types of stuff, free swag. That's what we're about, man. So I'm glad you're able to watch this. Stay tuned for the next unboxing. We're trying to get as many done. We had the first batch of product in, and we're getting the next stuff coming. So take a look. We have amps, we have speakers, we have tweeters, we have it all. B2 audio, sweet like a Danish, man. I love it. And the slogan is, it can never be too loud. All right, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio and B2 Audio USA with another unboxing. If you're in the mood for a component set in the door or your kick, this is it right here, the RAGE6.1. Get yourself a nice crossover, a nice mid-bass, mid-range driver, and a beautiful sound. I'll see you soon on the next one.